Hi guys, it's Tony again. Today I don't have an issue per se. I have more of a question, and this is part of the troubleshooting we're doing to determine why some of the leads that are part of this lead co-op program, why some of the phone leads are being missed and not brought into um, the Mac system. As the way it's set up right now, as you already know, if a lead comes in, which is an email opt-in, when it's API'd into the Mac system, it comes into this folder here, the opt-in email leads folder. And if that same prospect ends up opting in again with their phone number and their first name, then when they get API'd over, then the API will transfer or move that lead from the opt-in email lead folder to the opt-in phone leads folder. Okay, so it updates the record and moves it from the opt-in email leads folder to the opt-in phone leads folder. So you guys know this, and that's fine. Now here's my question. Let's say, for instance, a lead that I purchased from another lead provider way back before this lead co-op program started. Let's say, for example, this Rene Vargas here. Okay, this Rene Vargas already exists in my contact database. Now let's say Rene Vargas also ends up opting in on the website of the current lead provider that we're doing this lead co-op with. Now, if Rene Vargas opts in with their phone number and that phone opt-in gets API'd over, will the API also move Rene Vargas from my Pro Team Leads folder and put them in my opt-in phone leads folder? Will it move it? Will it update the record and move it in the same way as it does from the opt-in email leads folder to the opt-in phone leads folder? This is very critical because it might be that the reason why some of these phone leads are being omitted or missed is not because they're not being imported into the Mac system. It could be that some of these prospects already exist in any of the other folders that a given Mac user might have purchased that lead in the past and put them in one of the other folders. And when the API, when that prospect opts in at the Leadwave Pro's website, the API is just updating the record, but it's not moving it from any other folder into the opt-in phone leads folder. I hope this doesn't confuse you, but we're trying to determine if that could be the cause. So basically my question is this: if a phone opt-in lead comes in, if that lead already exists in any other folder on the system other than the folders that are assigned that we're using for the lead co-op, what happens? Does the lead get updated and stay in that old folder, or does it get updated and get moved to the phone leads folder? Or what happens? Obviously, it's not being moved if that's the case, because I don't know. Or does the Mac system totally rejects that lead because it already exists in another folder? Because we know that you cannot have duplicate records for the same user. So if that lead exists in any other folder other than these two here, will that lead be rejected by the Mac system? Okay, if you guys can get back to me on this, it would be very helpful. The sooner the better, because we're trying to find a solution to this problem that seems to be happening across the board with all the people who are participating in this lead co-op program. Thank you very much for your time, and look forward to hearing from you guys soon.